This is the second of the series from Russell Bowman, sharing with you words out of the Bible, paralleling nature as we find, enjoying the discovery as I have, becoming closer to God, and then finding a communion with Him. Now, in our first session, we just took a look at the first couple verses of Genesis, and I'll read it again here. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and void, and darkness was over the surface of the deep. And the Spirit of God was moving over the surface of the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. We have discovered in science a very interesting correlation between mass and energy. Energy, or light, is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy, and mass is a part of the equation of energy. Now later on we'll take a blackboard and show you what I mean. But the old equation that Einstein discovered, E equals mc squared. In other words, energy is the same as mass times the speed of light accelerated. What this means is energy can come from mass, and mass can come from energy. Now, when God spoke, He spoke as you and I speak, since we are created in His image. So when you and I speak, what do? The first thing we do is we formulate thoughts in our mind, and then we express them verbally for others to see. When we express that, we use energy, and it's in an observable form. So how did God create the universe? He used the energy, the power within Himself, to create mass. And that mass, as the scientists called it, the Big Bang. So when God said, "Let there be light," He wasn't fooling around. He created the universe. This is the power and the magnificence of the God that we believe in. You can discover that for yourself when you learn about astronomy. Take a look in the articles about astronomy, and you will find out this Earth we live in, you could place 10,000 Earths inside of the sun. The sun itself is one among many millions of stars in our galaxy, and the galaxy itself is one of many, many millions of galaxies in the universe. And God started it all with one word: let there be light. This gives us a little bit of an understanding of what God is like, the power, the magnificence of the one in whom we believe. What science has done is not destroy the belief that we have in God. Rather, it has further defined what God is like, the magnificence, the power beyond understanding of any human being of what God is. Therefore, when we speak of God, we speak so with a deep reverence and understanding. The power of God is insurmountable. The power of God is capable of anything within His own will. And He does everything He wishes through His Word, as He spoke and began the universe by saying, "Let there be light." And from that light came mass, and from that mass came the Big Bang that started the whole thing. This is a God in whom we believe. Think about that for a minute when you go outside and look at the stars, and praise Him for the magnificence of who He is. This is Russell Bowman. I hope to hear from you. In the future, we'll give you some addresses and things to contact us. But for now, let's just have fun discovering the God in whom we believe. This is Russ signing off for now. May God bless you all. Goodbye.